Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Sold video for today. It is Saturday, the 17th of July, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what's sold for us today. I think this is about a half day's worth of sales, but we've had quite a few to go through, so we're going to start following her right now.
Hey guys, yeah, so we're starting an AM today. Reese just came up here. Alright. This is something that took longer than expected to sell, but I realized as I went to delist it that it wasn't listed except for like on Kitizen and eBay. So it probably would have sold faster on Mercari. My Patagonia seems to sell really fast there, so. Anyhow, this is a Patagonia fleece. This was actually my son's. I bought it off ThreadUp a while back for $25, and I sold it on Kitizen after he wore it several times for $36 free ship. Shipping's $5.15, so getting back basically what I paid for it originally. All right, and this is the sale of the day. We got some Mephisto Wedges. These are like in really, really good shape. So when I showed these in our haul, I think I said maybe like 50 to 60. But then when I was looking up comps, these retail for like a little over $200. And they're basically like new. Even like sold comps on pre-owned were over 100.
Oh, wow.
So I priced over 100, but then I accepted an $87 offer on Mercari. So I paid $7.99 for them. So I was happy enough with 87.
Really good flip.
And a fast flip too. Right, BR. These fur-lined Crocs for $19 plus shipping on Mercari. I have $3.55 into them. Right. Sold a couple pairs of shoes from the shelf. Looks like something fell off the shelf too. These guys. Yeah, these guys. The first ones were these Clarks. So when I bought these, I thought they were men's, but they ended up being women's. Took me a while to list them, mostly because they had like these marks on them and they're suede, so I wasn't really sure how to get them out. I tried to brush them out and they got a little lighter, but they're still there. So I listed them at $50, which is kind of a lot. They're just Clarks, but usually like the gum swollen stuff adds value to shoes. So listed them at $50. I accepted $25, mostly because after I saw that marks on them, otherwise, I mean, they're still in really good shape, but I don't know. I just like those kinds of flaws bother me. So
That probably needs a good thorough cleaning and it'll go away, but we just don't like doing that.
Yeah. So I was happy with $25. I took the offer. I have $7.99 into them, so still made some profit. And the lady that bought these actually bought them for her daughter. She said, so they're shipping to her daughter, but she asked me to write her a happy birthday note, which I thought was funny. That's not the first time someone's asked me to do that. So I guess maybe that's a common thing. Has anyone ever asked you to write a note to their buyer or to themselves? The last time it was... She was buying it for herself for her birthday, and she said, can you please write me a birthday note? Which made me sad, like nobody was going to get her, I don't know. Anyways, so yes, I'm definitely going to write her a message. So, all right. And then these other ones, these are Vasquez Gore-Tex, like a hiking boot for men. These ones I have $10.27 into, sold them on eBay for $54.95 plus shipping. So really good sale there as well.
And we're big fans of the Vasquez boots, right? We've done pretty well with them.
Yeah, I like Vasquez. Oops, what did I? Maybe it says AY. These are some Vineyard Vines men's green performance shorts. These, I had a few pairs. This is the last pair to sell finally. I have $10 into them retail arbitrage and sold them for $27.25 plus shipping. All right.
What are you doing, Reese?
I know, you're just like not relaxing, man.
You seem wired up, man.
Do you have some coffee? Can I get some? I haven't had my coffee yet, which is why I'm still in my PJs. Saturdays are kind of lazy, so.
Yeah.
All right, these are some, my hair's in my chapstick again, some kids' Bowden shorts. These I actually bought for my son off Kitizen, but we're almost out of summer now, and I was like organizing his drawers the other day, and he never wore these the whole summer, so I figured we could do without them.
Yeah.
So I listed them for $24.95. With our sale on eBay, they sold for $22.70 free ship in just like 2 days. So I don't remember what I paid for them, but I remember I got them as part of like a bundle for super cheap. I think I only paid like $12 for them, so probably made a small profit there. These have taken forever to sell. The brand is Cork Ease. So normally I like this brand, but the 2 pairs that I currently have, which is this and one more, those ones have been taking forever to sell, but others I've sold have sold really fast. So I think this was just a style thing and also maybe a condition. They're not perfect, but I paid $2.99 for them. They sold for $13.60 plus shipping, so probably a $9 profit or so on those. And then some Chocos. These are just some Choco Meals. They are a women's 6, so I priced them a little lower for that reason, and I also sent an offer to Watcher because I want to move those smaller sizes as quickly as I can. These ones I paid $6.99 for at Goodwill, sold them for $25 plus shipping on eBay. Another pair of Choco.
We love selling Chocos.
Yep. Alright, these are youth size. These are like the water shoe ones. They sold for $31.80 free shipping on eBay. I paid $5.99 for these at Goodwill, and the shipping only cost $5.42. So, all right, and then CE. These are some Merrill, I would call these like a water shoe. I think I called them. But yeah. I really liked these. I haven't sold this style before, but I thought they'd do well. They have the Vibram soles, and like the water shoes that seem more like sturdy seem to do well for me. So I did pay up for them at $12.99, mostly because they were my size. I figured if they don't sell, I could keep them. But they sold fairly quickly for $36.35 plus shipping, so not too bad. And then last but not least, this is something that took forever to sell. I kind of regretted buying this from the minute I bought it, but I did make a small profit. So it's just a J. Crew sweater, and it is a cute sweater, but it's just kind of plain. But yeah, I paid $7.99 for this. That's what I regretted, just paying $8 for it. But it sold finally on Posh for $27, so I about made a $12 profit. So I'm happy with that.
Looks like that's it, huh?
Yeah, that's it this morning.
So pretty healthy amount of sales for a Saturday morning. It's what? It's about...
We weren't going to ship today, but I didn't want to do this, and I know I've been listing a lot, so we'll probably sell a lot through the weekend, I hope.
Right.
I hope.
Yeah, we hope. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get that stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got everything packed up, and we are on crunch time right now. We did have one sale come in.
Yeah, so it was this J.J. Love Linen, those are our children, J.J. Love Linen tunic. I actually just listed this late last night and hadn't even got around to cross-posting it. I think I listed it at $28. The Posher VA just sent them an offer of like $23 with discount shipping, and then she countered me at $18. So I accepted because if I would have cross-posted on eBay and stuff, I would have expected about $20 plus ship. So it's about the same, and now I don't have to cross-post it. So.
And that's just going in one of these Tyvek mailers.
Oh.
Yeah, we have problems with these. The seals never really work right. So we always tape them all off. Those
after we have probably 100 more, but after we use them all, we probably won't get these anymore. I just don't like them.
They're not that nice, but they are very sturdy and durable. But the seal doesn't work that great on them. But I think that's going to do it for today. We do have to get these, our post office closes in 12 minutes. So we've mentioned it before, it's very close to us. But, and if we don't make that one, there are more around town that we can hit up. But we like to hit that one up on Saturday mornings. So that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get this stuff off to that post office, and we hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.